Hey, what's up, everyone? It's JJ Sally, aka John Sally, aka your friendly neighborhood Solomon. Today, we're diving deep into what is Affiliate Mentor and how you can make money online, build a team, and finally quit that 9 to 5 job in 2025. But stay tuned until the end because I'm revealing exclusive bonuses that will give you way more traffic, leads, and signups for the Affiliate Mentor program or any other program you're building. And they're only available for our team. So stick around, hit that like button, and let's jump into it. Now you might be wondering, who am I and why you should listen to me? I've been in the make money online space for 12 to 13 years, drop shipping, MLM, high ticket sales, low ticket sales, and through all those years, I've been searching for the right mentor to help me create consistent, scalable income online. Guess what? I finally found that mentor, and I'm about to show you how Affiliate Mentor can change everything for you, whether you're just starting out or struggling to build a team. Now, before I get into this, I want to share something personal with you. Around 6 months ago, my wife was hit by a car moving over 45 miles an hour. It flipped our world upside down. Hospital bills, stress, uncertainty. It reminded me why I wanted to build true financial freedom in the first place. I realized that relying on a single paycheck was dangerous. I needed a system where I could work from home, have time freedom, and build something sustainable. And that's exactly what Affiliate Mentor allows me and you to do. Now I'll bring us real quickly what's going on with her. She the accident left her with severe injuries, including fractures in her neck, C2, C6, C7, a broken femur in her right leg, a broken tibia and fibula in her left leg, and a subdermal hematoma with a blood clot in her brain that doctors are closely monitoring. I think she had more than 3 surgeries, but she faces a long road to recovery. She's had significant progress, but she's still not able to walk on her own. She's still in a wheelchair when she's around. She's just able, with a little bit of help and a little time, to sit up. So she's got a long road to recovery. This would, from my son's point of view, she's very strong and determined, but this journey is going to take a lot of time, resources, and faith. And now the job has raised money too. This is not counting that job. This is GoFundMe, and it's $445. But it isn't just about the money. It is about the fact that you are, and all of us, are only one problem or mistake. Most of us, because most people don't even have $1,000 in their bank account in the United States. Okay, and worldwide it might even be worse. So. And who really wants to be working till they're 70, 80 years old? And if the money isn't enough now, how is 40% in retirement going to be, Social Security retirement going to be enough? Now, so, yeah. So, do you really want to be working for somebody else until you're 70, 75, 80 years old? 65, 60 even? Come on. Now, as you can see right here, this is a completed board. It's got 6 different people in it. And I got this message May 31st, so yesterday. You've just cycled. Congratulations, you've earned a 50% Spark Matrix Cycle Commission. I've unlocked a new Spark training module and another Matrix position which will be processed shortly. And as you can see, this is the completed board with 6 people. And this is the brand new board where I can earn another $50. Okay? So, as you can see, when I click on Cheryl Hanna's name, who's my first person, right here, and then there's Bobby Nation, right? Those are my first two people, right? Here, Cheryl Hanna has 2 people, sponsor John Solly, right? And Bobby has Miss Edwards and Vincenzo Prizio. So I'm helping my team. This is real spillover. We have like 6 different ways to complete boards. This is our brand new Spark, Affiliate Mentor Spark. So what is Affiliate Mentor? It's the front end for Traffic Authority, which has been around providing high quality traffic, top tier traffic, tier 1 traffic for the last 10 to 12 years. And some of my people I got myself with my videos and reaching out to them and talking to them in conversations, explaining what our team offers that no other team does. But some of this is also from, give me a second, the traffic package that I bought. See, $220. And we have a strategy where I take an all-in sale and the core annual and put that right 220, all of it, every single penny, right back into traffic. Okay, so it's obviously working. I've gotten several sales from the from this $220 basic traffic package that I bought. Okay, what else do we have? We have core, and core basically pays. They charge a a recurring $50 commission. Okay, and for that $50 commission, you get $20 a month recurring. So if you have 10 people, that's $200 a month. If you have 50 people, that's $50 a month. If you have 100 people, that's $2,000 a month. And then, so you have recurring bills, right? You have rent every single month. You have electricity. You have gas. You have your car note. These are typical bills that we have. You have your cell phone. So we have recurring bills. Why wouldn't we want recurring residual income as well, right? It's needed, okay? And that's what Spark provides. $20 a month for every member that joins you, okay? Now, if you don't want to pay for the $20 a month, once you start, you can upgrade to a Core Annual. Now, Core Annual, you'd think was 12 months, right? But it's not 12 months. It's 24 months. And normally you would pay $50 a month, right? So that would be $1,200. But you pay the core once, and then you upgrade. If you upgrade to Core Annual, you pay $50 core for the first month of core. And then when you're ready, if you're ready, you upgrade to Core Annual for $399 more, right? Sorry, 50 plus $399. 50 plus $399. Okay. Equals. Now, that's $1,200 I already showed you, right? From what you would pay for 2 years of core minus $449, you are saving $751 overall. And now you get paid core, $20 a month when somebody joins core, or if they buy core annual, you get $200, right? So now you see how these start to stack up, right? And then we have VIP. And VIP is $299, and it looks like VIP Club right here. I don't know why it's not rolling, but here it comes right here. It's taking forever. But VIP pays $299. It costs $299, and it pays $500 when somebody cycles, or $250 when a team member cycles. This is basically what it looks like, though. It's an empty board like this. Okay, when somebody cycles all 6 positions. If I cycle, I get $500. If you cycle, I get $500. If you cycle, you get $500, right? If you cycle and I bring you in, I get a 50% check match. Just like if somebody you bring in, or we bring it for you, because we have an Alden rotator, and you finish your 6 positions. If you finish your 6 positions, you get $500. If somebody else that is under you finishes theirs, you get 50% check match for $250. I think it loaded now. Nope, that's okay. So this is it. All right, 6 positions, and it's just multiply everything by 10. Instead of making 50, you make 500. Instead of making 25 for a 50% check match, you make 250. Pretty simple, right? Okay, but very powerful, right? This isn't just another affiliate program. Affiliate Mentor is designed to create team duplication. So you're not just making sales, you're building long-term success. Again, we have the Spark, the Core Annual, and the VIP Club, all with Affiliate Mentor, which is the front end of Traffic Authority. So that is what Affiliate Mentor is. What is Affiliate Mentor? It's a front end by Traffic Authority that's been around for like 10 years, providing top tier traffic, right? Here's the game changer, though. Our team offers free YouTube training as part of any bonus, no matter what position you get. And the YouTube training I'm going to show you right now, I'll be right back. It is amazing. Oh, why am I doing that? I don't know why it's, hold on. That is weird. Did you see all those extra things that was right there that I'm deleting now? Okay, so I'm going to look for affiliate mentor. I don't know why I was doing that. Compensation plan, okay? Well, you see this is live, and live things, it makes it's not always perfect. Okay, so affiliate mentor compensation plan. As you can see, I am not, I'm going to show you, not signed in. So this is incognito mode, okay? So I'm going to only bring you me or one of our team. So that's Make Money Online by JJ. That's a second ranked, third. Yeah, because these sponsored do not count. The third ranked video. And that was 19 hours ago. So yesterday. This is 4 days ago by Make Money Online by JJ. Here's another one. Make Money Online by JJ. Make Money Online with JJ. Postcard Lifestyle is another team member, okay? There's Postcard Lifestyle again. There's Make Money Online with JJ 19 hours ago. Okay? Here's another member of our team, Brian Zeidelman, 2 days ago. And here's a short that's there. And so did Fanchon, another team member. Okay? And here's Postcard Lifestyle again. We are dominating. Now, every video I pick up 2 different keywords. Okay? So I'm going to do another one right here. Bonuses. Okay? And you can see this is live. Here's a brand new. I'm ranked number 1. Make Money Online with JJ. Okay? This is 5 days ago. And this is another one by me, 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 another one by me. Notice, I'm not, nowhere in this thing does it say anything about bonuses, okay? Same thing with this one. And this one does, okay? Some of these do and some of these don't, okay? So I'm ranking for multiple terms, and so is our team from our team training, which is very, very powerful. And we'll show you one other one. Make Money Online, JJ. Here's Brian Zeidelman again. Okay. Here's Mr. Orange Dream, another team member. If you just Postcard Lifestyle, Mr. Orange Dream, if you just follow the training, you will rank for these videos, and you don't have to put yourself on camera. And I'll show you what it looks like right here. Okay. This is our team training site. Okay. The first step, once you get started, right? I'll hook you up with this access to this team page. And then it says, John, schedule a coaching call with our team leader, and tells you exactly what you need to do to book an appointment. And this is not to upsell you. This is to get your affiliate mentor system set up, okay? And we can see we have extensive training. And this is all I'm using every day to stay consistent and rank our videos and get real estate for terms that people are searching. Now this is give a man a fish, you feed him for a day, teach a man to fish, and you feed him for a lifetime. This will build any online business. We will help you build any online business, and we will train your people, not just with these videos, but live, on how to do this step by step. If you have any questions, you can reach out to us. But these step-by-step videos are all you need. We also have 150 email swites. We have how to 10x your AM income. We have bridge video training. List of top fairy Facebook marketers to engage with. This is what I'm using every single day to dominate, as the rest of our team are. Okay? Now, again, every level of affiliate mentor comes with exclusive bonuses. This comes with whatever level you join at, okay? The YouTube ranking strategies are super powerful, right? And the SEO training for Google and YouTube, okay? This is a massive duplication system. It means you're not alone. You're part of the best team with the best bonuses and the best training. We are dominating YouTube, and you can too. If you're serious about quitting your 9-to-5 in 2025 and getting helped, look like this, okay? Spark. 1 second, I'll be right back. Like Cheryl Hanna was helped. As you can see, I gave her 2 people, okay? Text me at 775-460-7938 if you're interested in making real money online and ready to take action. Click the first link in the description. Like, share, and subscribe for more content. And drop a comment. What did you like most about this video? That's a wrap on What is Affiliate Mentor. This program is changing the game, helping people build real income and quit their jobs and create financial freedom. This is JJ Solly, aka John Solly, aka your friendly neighborhood Solly Man. Don't delay. Get with JJ today. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.